In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an email newsletter or landing page template using Mailerlite. First, go to Mailerlite.com and log in. Using Google Sign-In makes it quick and easy. From the dashboard, navigate to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign, then select Regular Campaign. Give your campaign a descriptive name and craft a compelling subject line to grab attention. Next, choose your recipients by selecting All Active Subscribers. For the content, click Next Content to browse the template gallery and pick a design that suits your campaign. Customize it with images, text, and call to action buttons to align with your brand. Then click Done Editing. Finally, review everything and hit Send to launch your campaign. And just like that, your email newsletter or landing page is ready to engage your audience